Welcome to my channel, guys. Today we are going to do a little beauty room cleanup. This is the room where I film all my videos in, and for some reason this is the room that I hate cleaning the most. I think because I just have so much clutter in here and I don't really have a spot for everything, and it just gets really messy really quickly because I'm in here doing my makeup and changing and blah blah blah. So I wanted to show you guys the before of what my room looks like. It's pretty messy. And hopefully we can clean it up today. I'm gonna do a little unboxing of Fab Fit Fun. I'm so excited. In all the mess, look how beautiful it is. So thank you for them in partnering with me in today's video. I love getting gifted like subscription boxes, and I've actually never had a Fab Fit Fun box before. So I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. I have no idea what's in there. But first, let's get on into cleaning this disaster of a room. I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. Okay, so we will back up, but can you guys please look at this? Oh, and there's a little hanger on the floor right there too. It is a disaster. Why do I dread cleaning this room so much? I think it's what I said before, is like, if you don't have a space for things, then I just kind of like throw it in a box and I don't really know what to do with it until I need it again, and then it's just crazy. So let's get cleaning, guys. I'm not excited about this video like I normally am, but you gotta do what you gotta do, right, people? I want to feel a little bit better when I come in here and like film like I'm not filming in a tornado. So let's go. I'm just gonna put you guys right here for a second while I'm cleaning up this area. We'll do a little time lapse right now. First, something that helps me when I'm cleaning is turning on YouTube videos. So today I'm going to watch Melena's new YouTube video. Aspen Ovard has a new YouTube video. Genty Fell has a new YouTube video. And Alfie Days, I love his vlogs. I always add these videos to my watch later playlist, and then I just like keep them going as I'm cleaning. So let's do this. Target. It has a really cute pink lid on it, and I was like, okay, this is where all my cords are gonna go, all my camera stuff, anything like electronic, all my lenses I put in this box, and then just close it up. And then I have another one in here for my workout stuff, because I just have like a jump rope and I have little weights in here, and I didn't have a spot for them, so I made a spot for them, which is nice because when I am cleaning up, at least I know those two things have spots where they go. So I really need to wipe this off, but this is where I put all my jewelry. This can go in the camera box because it is for my camera. So I'll just put that in there. And then I change out my contacts daily. I have like daily disposable contacts, and for some reason I just don't ever throw them away, and so they pile up and make a ton of trash. Excuse our carpet. Honestly, I don't even know what that is, and that's disgusting. Maybe chocolate? Okay, so let's throw these away. I've had this microphone forever. It's not turned on right now, but I just sometimes like singing and playing piano. I haven't done it in so long, but my parents got this for me when I was pretty young, so I love to keep it. And if I ever feel like jamming out, just whip it out and pretend I am worshiping at church or I'm on stage being Taylor Swift. So that's why I have this.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Been trying to get a hold of you all night. We haven't talked in months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going? Oh, how's it, mom? The roads are so empty, this is so damn calm. If we stick on the highway, we can drive all night long.
Okay, so I thought we would take a little break to open up my Fab Fit Fun box and do something fun before I wipe down the counters and like vacuum my room. So I have been waiting to open this up on camera for so long. Thank you so much to Fab Fit Fun for partnering with me today in this video. Let's go ahead, open it up and see inside. I need something to open it with, hold on. I couldn't find anything, so I'm using the sharp side of this to open it. Gotta use your resources, people. Oh yeah, that actually worked really well. So, do you guys want to see it before I see it? Let's go ahead and open it up this way. Ah, I don't even know what's inside, but I'm so excited. So what I love about Fab Fit Fun so much is this box is filled up with products that are over $200 like in total, and they're 8 to 10 full-size products in every box. If you guys want to try out Fab Fit Fun, I'll leave my code right here so you can get $10 off your first box. What's cool is you can personalize everything in this box too. Like you can go online and choose what you want in your box. So this is their summer collection and I didn't choose anything, so it's kind of a surprise for me. So let's go ahead and get on into it. So you open up the box and you get this magazine, and it tells you about all of the new products. It talks about Eva Longoria. She's on the cover. She's so beautiful. You can go through and look at the prices and look at how much your items are worth and learn a little bit more about them. So that's really, really nice. And then they also include an $80 gift card towards HelloFresh, which if you guys haven't tried HelloFresh before, it is the best meal service ever. So that's awesome that they include a gift card. Oh, and then they give you a little redemption card. So you can pass this on to a friend and they can get $15 off their first box. So this is the part I'm most excited about. All their stickers are so cute too. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I have been wanting to try this so bad. I look at it at Sephora all the time. It's a moisturizing shower cream and it smells so good. This is what it looks like. I just haven't bought it because it's so much in the store. And then they also included the Sol Janeiro, I don't even know how to say it, but their Bum Bum cream. Everybody talks about this. It's supposed to like smooth and tighten up your skin, kind of tone up your skin. So these two items are $45 and that has already paid off this box. I've been looking at these two items for so long in Sephora and just haven't made the purchase. So now that it's included in my box, I'm like, that is awesome. So this has so many cool things in it. Okay, this is Burn 60, 3 resistance bands. Ooh, for working out. This is what it looks like. Burn 60 is a high-intensity interval training for all fitness levels. Our signature training program is designed to help you work out smarter, maximize calorie burn, and tone major muscle groups. This is so cool. I have really wanted to tone up my booty and my thighs, so this is awesome. Other boxes you get and it's just like, okay, that was good. Do I really need them? Everything in this I'm like so excited about. Okay, so these are what the little bands look like, which is awesome because me and Kyle are always needing new workout bands. Awesome. So these right here are normally $34. How cool is that? Okay, so what else do I got? I have the liquid eyeliner. I have needed new eyeliner so bad. I haven't been wearing any eyeliner just because I haven't had any. So this is their liquid liner. And let's see how much this normally is. $22. This liquid liner is normally $22. Okay, let's try it out because I love liquid liners. And I'm kind of particular. That is so black. I love that. And then this is what the felt tip looks like. Woo! I am so excited. Thank you so much to Fab Fit Fun for sending me this. Seriously. Okay, what is this? Exfoliating foot mask. Hold on. I'm going to show you guys my toes. Will you be so grossed out? You probably will be. So if you don't want to see my toes, just like click off for a second or just like skip ahead. But can I show you how nasty my toes are? I don't even know if you can see the real nastiness, but like I have got to do some exfoliating. So an exfoliating foot mask sounds heavenly right now because that is all I've been needing for the summer, especially since I've been wearing like open-toed shoes all the time. So this is supposed to exfoliate, polish, soothe, and smooth your skin. Thank you, Jesus. This is heaven sent because mine are pretty crusty and gross right now. This is what it looks like. This is by the brand Wish. Oh, okay, and then this is the Restore Cream. I saw this in there. What does it do? Apply liberally to dry or damaged skin, lips, nails to aid in healing. Healing balm. Ah, okay. So this is what it looks like. It's called Restore. I love the packaging. This little tube right here is normally $30. This is such a good way to try out new products and see what you like. See, like I was nervous to try this out because I wasn't sure about it, but now since it came in my box, I'm like, oh man, I can try this out, and then if I really end up liking it, I can go buy it again. I probably squeezed out way too much. That feels so soothing. This is the Spray All Day Hydrating Rose Facial Spray, and it is by the brand Grace and Stella. I feel like I've heard of this before. Dang, that's a big bottle. So this is what it looks like. It's rose scented. Let's spray it and smell. Normally I don't like rose, but that is actually pretty refreshing. I was looking in the pamphlet and I saw these while I was looking, and these masks, there's a set of 5 in here. These retail for $160. That is so much for a face mask. Are you kidding me? This is the 111 Skin Harley Street, London. Diminishes the appearance of fine line, wrinkles. 24 karat gold enhances skin radiance, rejuvenates, reinforces, and protects barrier function. I've wanted to buy masks for so long, but I just haven't because they are so expensive. So the fact that I get to try these out without spending $160 is amazing. So thank you so much, Fab Fit Fun. Okay, so we have 2 more things. This is the Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. This is $39. So all this stuff, like this is crazy how much this is worth. And the last thing that's in my box, everyone talks about these and I have not tried them out. They're supposed to keep your hair in place all day. They're called Invisibobble, the Traceless Hair Ring. And they're just like those things that my grandma used to wear around her wrist to like keep her keys. And I just love that they came out with it like a little hair tie, and it probably stays in place so long. These are normally $16 and it comes with 6 of them. If you guys have not tried out Fab Fit Fun yet, I would highly recommend using my code, getting $10 off your first box, and trying this out because this is the best box I have ever tried. And these products aren't products that I'm like, oh man, I wish I didn't get that. Like all of these I'm excited to try and I'm excited about. So what's really cool is you can customize your box online so you can know exactly what's coming to your door if you're more someone who like doesn't want to be surprised, which is really cool. Thank you so much to Fab Fit Fun for partnering with me in this little section of today's video. Let's get back into cleaning. I'm just gonna use these little wipes.
If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meet. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze.
Okay guys, so I am done cleaning up my beauty room. It looks so much better. I'll show you guys the before and the after. But this is what it looks like. I feel so much better. The floors are clean, all the surfaces are wiped off, and everything's just picked up. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you so much to my partner back here, Fab Fit Fun. I'm so excited about that box, and I'm literally gonna go and play with all that stuff today. I'm so excited. And if you guys like these videos and wanna see more, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.